How to treat fatty liver disease naturally. Our liver is the largest organ in your body. By the time we have grown up, it is about the size of a football. The liver does many jobs, some of which are: it cleans our blood by eliminating toxins. It produces an important digestive liquid called bile. Bile helps the body absorb fat into the bloodstream. It stores energy in the form of a sugar called glycogen. Glycogen is like our backup fuel. When the body needs a quick energy boost or when a person's blood glucose level drops, the liver breaks down glycogen and releases glucose into the bloodstream. It helps in blood clotting by producing proteins with the help of vitamin K. We should thank our liver whenever we take any medicines. For example, when we take a pain reliever for a headache, the liver takes the active ingredient and breaks it down, so that our body can use it to make the headache go away. Serious illness will affect us if we do not take care of our liver. The most common causes of liver damage are: unhealthy diet, obesity, excessive alcohol consumption, side effects of medicines. However, our liver has an amazing property which helps it to heal itself, which no other organ in our body has. So, with time and reversing these unhealthy practices, we can heal our liver. Having said so, we have an amazing fruit which can hasten the healing process of our liver. And the honor goes to tamarind. It has been used for centuries to treat constipation, stomach disorders, arthritis, gallbladder and all liver-related problems. It can detoxify liver by eliminating harmful fat and toxins accumulated over the years in liver cells as a result of unhealthy lifestyle. There are 2 recipes where we can use this amazing fruit as an ingredient to hasten our liver healing process. Tamarind drink. Take a handful of peeled tamarind. Add a liter of water. Blend them in a blender. Strain the mixture. Drink the brew in small quantities throughout the day. Tamarind tea. Take 20 to 25 clean tamarind leaves. Chop them finely. Boil them in a liter of water for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Let it cool down. Strain the tea when it is lukewarm. Add honey, if you wish. Drink half liter twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Drinking these concoctions regularly will help in reduction in fat production and levels of fat deposited in the liver. Incorporating any of these 2 recipes into your daily routines will cure all liver-related ailments and improve overall health. As you have reached this far, please check out a wonderful book of remedy in the link to the description below. Thanks for watching.